guys, welcome back to another video, and today I want to share with you my latest nail polish and as well as some makeup buys which I ordered online at kruidvat.nl, which is a Dutch drugstore, but I know you can get these items like worldwide, I think almost worldwide, because it is mostly Essence and I've got a little bit of NYX Cosmetics as well. But let's just start off with the NYX items and get the makeup stuff out of the way. So first up I got two blushes and they look pretty similar on camera, but they really are different. And I have got the shades Mocha and Desert Rose. And that is what these look like. I just got these because they were on sale as well. They were discounted from like 8 euros to 3. And I also got this baked shadow in the color, let me check, in the color Shira. And I really love the packaging, it is just so cute. And this one was $3.99 as well. They were all pretty much discounted. And these blushes, they just seem to me like really pretty tones for upcoming fall season. Then I also got five of the Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadows. So this is 01. Let me just check if I can open it real quick without breaking a nail. I've just opened them real quickly with one of my orange wood sticks because I don't want to break a nail. And I have to say I already got number 4, I think it is. Yeah, number 4, which is still the look, which is the silver one I got in a PR package. And you guys know me, I love to keep my collections complete, especially if there are items I really love from their new collection updates. So these are all in store yet. And I've got the other 5 shades as well. So this is a really pretty like rose gold kind of one, which is called Think About You. Then we have this, I think it's kind of like a mix of gold and copper, which is Ironic. The name is Ironic. Then this third one is kind of like a bluish purple, really dark, and that's called Platinum Nights. Then the fourth one was this one, the silver. Then 05 is Lead Me, which is a little bit more of a darker tone. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this one is a little bit more warm compared to the really silvery one. And then the last one, this color is gorgeous for fall, and that one is called Copper Me. So these are all the melted chrome eyeshadows. They are so pigmented and so soft, it is insane. But I really wanted to have this collection complete because the silver one I got in the PR package was so good. And I think I'm going to do like a swatch and review video of these separately, because I really do like the way these look. And these are all 6 colors together. So I got this one for free sent to me in a PR package, and all the others are $2.99 in euros each. So they are really affordable as well. And let me just check how much is in here, if I can see. There is a 2 gram of product in here, so that is pretty decent for just below 3 euros. Then next up, from the buy one get one free on all nail polishes sale, I also got these 3 nail polishes, which are from the Wanted Sunset Dreamers limited edition, I think it is. First one, it is 01 Golden Sand. I haven't swatched these yet, but I was like, I have like a 50% discount anyways, and I haven't seen any swatches of these yet. But they really look pretty though, and this is like a golden shimmer. I think the second one is a really warm, like a peachy golden shimmer, like a translucent kind of top coat, and this one is called Desert Heat. And then the last one is like a translucent, like sheer, like top coat kind of like polish with green and purple and bluish flakies in here. I don't know if this one will dry matte, I don't know yet. It is a top coat. Oh, they're all top coats, sorry. I just wasn't reading. but this one is really pretty and it is called Dreamcatcher. So it is a collection, limited edition. I think it is still in store when I'm going to upload this, but I'm not sure. But maybe you can still order them online, and I got these for €1.99 each. Then again, as I said, I really like making my collections complete, and you know that I did receive these two polishes in my Essence PR package as well. So it is like a peel off glittery nail polish and a Cosmic Lights collection within the normal regular collection. So it isn't a limited edition, it is in like their normal collection range. So I already got these two, so I had to get all the others. So these are all the Cosmic Light polishes I got. So these are just the other 5 shades. These go for $2.59 each. So let me just grab this one. I got this one in my PR package. It is a Welcome to the Universe, which is a silvery one. Then the second is Cosmic Star, which is like a really like pastel kind of gold, or at least not like super bright gold. The third one is To the Moon and Back, a really pretty light pink. Then a light purple is 04 Hollow Me Crazy. They all have beautiful holographic glitter in it, as you can see. Then 05 is Up to the Sky. This is like a really dark gray, like gunmetal kind of shade. And the last one is 06 is Cosmic Wow, or Whoa. And this is like a metallic-y, like a really soft green kind of shade. But that are all 6 colors in this little collection. They are all kind of metallic-like, with holographic shimmer. I still want to do like a full review and swatch video of these, as well as the peel off glitters I'm going to show you next. So speaking of that peel off glitter collection by Essence, this is the glitter on glitter off peel off nail polish. I have already reviewed, swatched and uploaded the Catrice version of these with the really cool bottles. If you haven't checked out that video and you want to know all about these polishes, do check it out on my channel. These are a little bit more expensive. I think they were about €3.60 or something, and these by Essence were $2.59, so they are like €1 cheaper or less expensive. But these do contain 11 milliliters and these only contain 8, so it's up to you. I really do prefer the shape of the bottle by Catrice, but as far as color range, I really like these. But Catrice has 8 shades in total. But let's just talk about these. So I got this rose gold one, which is Razzle Dazzle, in a PR package. And let me just get all the other ones in order. So this first one is Put a Ring on It. They all have like kind of mixed glitter. It is like a little bit like a medium-sized glitter and a fine glitter. Then that is the rose gold one. Then there's also like a really pretty pink one, which is Party Queen. Then a beautiful multicolored purple, which is Spotlight On. Next up is like a holographic silvery kind of lilac-y shade. I feel like it has just a hint of purple in there. And this is 05 Starlight Express. And then the last one, oh, I love colors like these. It looks a little bit bluish on camera, but that is because there is blue glitter in here. But in real life, it's more of like an emerald green. And this one is called 06 Glitter in the Air. So yeah, I'm really excited about these polishes. I'm going to try them out as well, see how they work, if they peel off the same way and work the same way as the Catrice ones, because those Catrice ones, it says on the back not to use a base coat, but I would highly suggest you do. Let's just check. Next generation peel off nail polish, improved drying. Blah blah blah. Improved drying time and lasting result. Apply 2 coats and let dry completely. To remove, simply peel off nail polish, no remover needed. So it does claim the same things that the Catrice one does, but I'm going to try it out the same way, apply a base coat anyways. and just see how it works. But that will be in a completely different video with swatches and everything. But yeah, that was actually all I got. I really hope you enjoyed. I actually didn't spend that much money because every item was in sale, apart from the melted chrome eyeshadows, but these were really cheap as well, so nah. I'm really happy with all the stuff I got, and I would always suggest just check out online stores or like normal regular stores if they have like discounts or maybe discounts coming up, because usually these are $2.59, but now I got two for $2.59, so it's always nice to have a good deal and some discount to save some money and just get all the nice polishes you would love to have in your collection. It's always nice to just save a little bit, you know? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, and I will reply to you personally and directly as soon as possible. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.